friends, welcome you all to the cold world. In this video we are going to see the S pattern. So you can see on my screen this our S pattern will look like this. So let's start with our code. So first of all, for row in range of let's take a 10 count 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so let's take a round figure 10. Okay, so now for call in the range of 7, I think it will be 7 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so from 0 to 6 it takes a 7. Perfect. So our condition come here. So if first row is true, then print 0. So if our row equals 0, then we want asterisk, or our row is count 0 1 2 3 4th row. So if our row equals to 4, then we want to print this one. And at last, if our row equals to 4 5 6 7 8, our row equals to 8, then print full star. So this all 3 is over. Now we want to just print these 3 and remaining these 3 patterns. Okay, so or then bracket, then if our row is less than 4, so this one, our row should be less than 4 and column equals to 0. It will print these 3. Okay, or our column equals to 6, means this one, this last column. Okay, here our column should equals to 6 and our row should be greater than 4. Here comes with greater than 4. So 5th 6th 7th and here 6 only. Okay, so if this condition is true, then print asterisk until the end at the same line. Okay, so else if it is false, then print space at the same line. Okay, and this is just for print the next line. Okay, so let's see by running this code. So yes, let's bring our terminal to up. We have done a mistake. Let's see. So perfectly we are getting the S pattern with then also we are getting some extra star here. So I think we have done mistake. So I think this star is printing because we have taken the row till 10 and we are calling the row after 4 full row, so it will take till 10 row. So I have to remove one extra rows. It will take, let's take Rhino. So delete the terminal and start with the fresh terminal. Let's try. I think it will. Okay, we are getting perfectly S pattern here, you can see. So what we have done mistake, we have just not done mistake, but we have taken the extra rows, so it is printing the extra star. Hope you like this video and learn something new, how to print the S pattern. So thanks for watching and please like, share and subscribe. So thank you.